What if I told you the perfect pork tenderloin only takes 2 ingredients and almost no effort in your air fryer? We're gonna cheat. Grab a pre-marinated tenderloin and a jar of pork spice rub. That's it. First, pat it dry. This gives us that crispy crust. Now, coat it with the rub. Flavor on flavor. Quick spray of oil and it's ready. Into a 400-degree air fryer it goes. After 10 minutes, flip it. Then another 7 to 10 minutes until the center hits 145 degrees. My 1-pound tenderloin was perfect at 17 minutes. Look at that. Crispy, golden outside, juicy inside. And remember, 2 ingredients, 0 effort. That's a dinner win. I've got tons of easy air fryer recipes just like this, so hit that subscribe button because cooking could always be this easy. And as always, thanks for watching Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.